Alright, my people, today we at Wings and Fins, located on Old Rural Hall Road. Pretty nice location. They're very hospitable, great prices, and the main thing is they got like 100 sanitation rating. Can't beat it with a bat. Let's get it. My people, my people, my people. Alright, Nowood Nichols back with another food review. This time we're gonna do Wings and Fins. I'm working on my camera setup, so y'all bear with me on this right here. I'm trying to get better. I gotta figure out something I can set it up another way. But Wings and Fins is located on Old Rural Hall Road here in Winston-Salem, North Carolina. Get that fried rice. Y'all see that right there? The garnishment on top. That's a little respect right there. Got fried rice, and I went and got the Wings and Fins combo, which consists of 4 wings, 4 shrimp, and a piece of whiting fish, or your option is catfish. This is how it's looking right here. Y'all see that? The shrimp look good. Deep fried with a Cajun banger on there. Looks good. Mess one up right now. Put a Cajun flavor on it. Very good. Very good. The wings got a little wetness to it. Is that wetness? That's with the house-made sauce called moose juice. Y'all heard me correct. Moose juice. Try one of these wings. Pretty nice size wings. We ain't gonna talk about American Deli. Wing good and done. Tender. Sauce is sweet, smoky, got a slight spice to it. Oh yeah, that one right there. There's no one right there. There's definitely no one right there. Oh man, very good wings.